Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to give you the update which is coming from the Carnival Cruise Line. I have already made one video and I said in that video that Carnival Cruise Line is starting this July. Guys, I want to tell you one more thing, that though Carnival is starting in this July, but Carnival also have cancelled all the sailing for all the other ships. They are going to start with only three ships, which is Carnival Vista, Carnival Breeze, and Carnival Horizon. And guys, I've been telling this from the beginning that whenever the cruise ship will start, it won't start on a full fledged. They will see the reaction of the passengers, they will see how passengers are coping with the COVID situation, and slowly, steadily, they will increase the volume of the ships. So guys, I will keep updating about the cruise ship and cruise ship life on my channel Cruising with Goldie, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram where I make such a beautiful reels about cruise ship and cruise ship life.